All right, all right, all right. Welcome to the farm, baby. Look at what we got going on here. You got the papa. Yes. You got JoJo number 1 with a hammer over here. Yeah, and then you got, he can't even wave. JoJo number 2, he can't, there he is. Look what they're doing, folks. They're putting one of the last pieces of the ceiling in the ceiling. Yeah. Job is well done as usual. Look at this guy, huh? All right. So let's take a scan here. All right, so you got the, yes you do. You got the north side right over here. You see? And that's all done there. And then you've got the west side over here. That's all done. Yes. And then you've got the south side over here. See, and it looks all really good. And then you've got the final east side right there, baby. So here's a good thing, is that we can actually watch the sun rise on the porch. You see that? Because that's the east side. And then at night, we can come out here on the porch, or the decking, or the balcony, as they call it here, and we can watch the sun set, which is right over there. So we got the best of both worlds. Now, if you notice the trees, we're in the valley here. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that beautiful baby girl. Baby girl. What do you think, baby girl? He's good. We're not talking about the balcony, we're talking about you, aren't we? Yes, we are. Hell yeah. All right. So what we got here, if you notice that the valley comes down into here, so the airflow is going to go right cross corner. See, from that corner to this corner, we have a doorway. So the airflow is going to be there. And now we've also got the cross flow with the windows as well. With the air conditioner being over there, that's going to circulate. With the high roof, the heat's going to stay up. And then it's going to be a lot cooler in here, especially since the windows have the tint on it. And look at it, you can even see me doing the video over here on the reflection of the window. It's pretty cool, but yes. They're putting one of the last pieces in now. They got one piece here, and another little piece over there by Papa Boy's head over there. So yeah, we're getting stuff done, my friend. We're getting stuff done. See that? The next step is we're going to tape it. We got our fiberglass tape here. Yep, we're going to fiberglass tape it. We got our mud. Right here. Yep. And we got and we even got our sanding blocks. See? We even got our sanding blocks, bad boy. We got 3 of those. So yeah, we're going to just continue cruising along. We're going to tape all the edges, all the nail holes. We're only going to do the upper side here, not the lower side, just the upper side here. All right, because we're going to put another board there. They're going to put molded, so we don't have to worry about the bottom yet. All right, so we're going to cover all the nail holes here, all the nail holes here, and all the seams. See all the seams right there? Yep, all those are going to be good. But this is where we are, my friend. Where's the baby girl at? Where's the beauty? There she is. You have any comments you want to say, baby girl? Let me get down here. Ugh! All right, what do you think, baby girl? It's good, huh? Do you have any comments? What do you want to say? Nothing? All right, so they're burning a little brush over here. Is that okay? Yeah. That's okay. All right. So just standing here, I can feel the cross breeze through the doorways. See, you can see the breeze. Well, now it's not going to show it now that we asked it to. See? Watch. See? Yeah. But there's a wonderful breeze coming through right now. Yeah. Standing right here. And then baby girl over there. And so she did her garden today. How's your garden coming along? It's good. All the plants are growing. Your lemongrass are growing. The 2 mangoes are growing. The pineapples are growing. All right. Do you have any comments, questions? Nothing. All right, baby girl. This is how we do it. All right. We'll talk to you then, folks.